New to using tags on Instagram? We'll show you the ropes. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you all the different ways to tag people on Instagram. Now let's get started. There are a few different ways you can use tags on Instagram. You can tag someone in a photo or video, tag someone in a caption, tag someone in your story, or tag someone in a comment. We'll show you how to do all of these. First, let's go over how to tag someone in a photo on your feed. When creating a new feed post, when you get to the posting stage, select Tag People. Now tap the photo where you want to tag someone. Type in the username of the person you want to tag, and tap their name when it appears in the results list. If you would like to show this person's profile category to give them better exposure from your post, tap Show Profile Category. Adjust the placement of the tag if needed. You can tag multiple people in the photo if you like. When you're finished adding tags, tap Done. If you'd like to tag someone in the caption, type the @ symbol followed by their username in your caption before posting it. The person you tag will be notified that you mentioned them, but this post will not appear in their tagged photos on their profile if they are only mentioned in the caption. Then go ahead and share your post as normal. When people view your post, they can tap the photo to see any tags you've added, and they can tap a tag to go to that user's profile. The photo you've tagged will also appear on the tagged user's profile in the Tag Post tab. If you want to add a tag to a photo you've already posted, open the post you'd like to add tags to. Then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. Select Edit. Tap Tag People. Now you can tap the photo to add the tag the same way you would when initially creating a feed post. You can also edit your caption to mention someone in the editing mode if you like. Tap Done to save the changes you've made to your post. To tag someone in your Instagram story, begin creating your story post as normal. Then type the A at the top to add a text box. Select @mention. Then type in the name of the person you want to tag. When they appear in the results below, tap their profile picture to select them. You can then change the font of the text by tapping one of the style options in the menu. You can change the color and alignment or add animation to the tag text the same way you can with any other text box in story posts. Once you share your story, anyone you've tagged in it will be notified that you tagged them in your story, and have the option to add the post to their own story. If you'd like to tag someone in a comment, type the @ symbol followed by their username in your comment before posting it. The person you tag will be notified that you mentioned them in a comment, but this post will not appear in their tag photos on their profile. That does it for our guide to tagging people on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.